Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Redman and I will be completing this Tableau project for ISM3011. So for this course I was tasked with analyzing data from a superstore in Tableau, and this is the first visualization that I'll be going over today. And this is a negative profit bar chart, and it's particularly talking about three states. So Florida, North Carolina, and Tennessee, and then different cities within those states like Jacksonville, Florida, Burlington, North Carolina, Concord, North Carolina, Knoxville, Tennessee, and then Memphis, Tennessee. In the top right corner, you'll see the years that we're going to be going through, so 2018 through 2021. And then below that is the sum profit color chart, which is basically showing that the darker the orange color, the greater of a loss in profit, and then the more blue color of the bars, which represents a greater profit. So as you hover over each of these bars, it will show you the city. So for instance, this one's Jacksonville, the state Florida, the subcategory, and for instance, this one is for machines, and then the profit. In this case, it's a profit loss of almost $2,000. And you can see that in the little box that it shows, and you can also, we'll get a hint because of the color. This is more of an orange color. In contrast, if you go over here, you'll see that this subcategory is for paper, and because it's in a more blue shade, that it's in the profit zone of $225. And so yeah, you can just keep hovering over these and see the city, the state, the subcategory, and then the profit, whether that's a loss or a gain. And then the next visualization is this one, which is the regional sales and profits, and this is particularly talking about states in the South. So once again, the same color category is in play, where basically the darker the blue, the greater the profit, and the more orange color is going to be a loss in profit. So as we hover over Georgia here, we'll see that they had a profit of around $16,000, and their profit ratio was 33%. And in contrast, if we hover over North Carolina, we'll see that their profit was a negative $7,491, and their profit ratio is a negative 13%. Down below, we have the different subcategories by year. You can also go over here, and if you wanted to particularly look at 2018, you could do that, and that will just show you more specifically what happened in 2018, or you can just go through all of them, and they are sectioned off here up at the top. And as you hover over each of these bars, it's going to tell you the category. So for instance, this one is technology, the subcategory, which this one is machines, the year 2018, the profit, which this one is a negative 3,000, and then the sales, which here it's 27,000. And so you can just keep hovering over these and you'll see the different categories. So for instance, we have furniture with the subcategory of chairs in 2019, and then this one is a more blue shade, so it actually had a profit of $1,100, and the sales for here is over $10,000. And so you can just continue to hover over these to look over your category, the subcategory, the year, the profit, and the sales. And then the last visualization I'll be going over is this one, which is the improved profits, and this one's particularly talking about North Carolina. So up at the top you can see that these are the profits in North Carolina based upon each year. So if you click on here, you'll get just for 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. And so yeah, if you just look at all of them, down below we'll have the subcategories just like we did in the last visualization. And so we have 2018 right here, and as we hover over something like this, which is office supplies, and the subcategory being paper, we'll see that it had a profit of $217, and the sales was $622. And so you can just do that throughout. The greatest of these, the loss, was in technology and machines in 2021. And so it's just really easy just to look over these and see all the information given. And so yeah, Tableau is a really easy site to just look at all these different information and analyze the data. So thank you so much for listening.